Hey guys, it's Kevin with Watchhimtrade.com. Today's date is April 18th, 2015. This is going to be a video chart on VLTC. This stock has been hot over the last couple of weeks. I talked about it at this time last week when it was right around $6, was going into the week slightly above it, and mentioned that I would just key in on the $6 level, and if you stayed above $6, it had a good shot at going higher. If you moved below $6, it could have pulled back down to $5. Well, as you can see, it stayed above 6, never really dipped below it on Monday, and has just made a really nice continuation move, rising about 80 to 90% on the week here. And now, what next is what people are wondering, so just want to update things. First thing that stands out to me is that your open to close ranges have gotten tight the last 2 days. Your open to close range is simply where does the stock open and where does it close. It ignores the total daily range and focuses in on the open and the close. So for instance, on Friday you have an open of 871 and a close of 867. That's an open to close range of only 4 cents. Again, I'm ignoring the total daily range, which was much wider from 827 on the low to 948 on the high. The previous day, on Thursday, you opened 839 and you closed 857, a relatively tight range when you consider that the total daily range was 802 on the low and 915 on the high. And the reason that sticks out to me is because you've had a stock that many days has made really wide candles and wide body open to close ranges, which to me signifies that the people that are coming in at the open and buying are remaining buyers throughout the session into the close, which has given it a wider open and close range. And the people that have been coming in as sellers on the open have been moving out of the way, which has allowed it to continue to go higher and again get that wide open to close range. So the fact that these last 2 days have a significantly tighter open to close range than you've seen recently tells me that there's a greater battle going on between buyers and sellers, or supply and demand, in this price range. And it doesn't mean it's about to reverse and go lower, but it just means you're at a pivot point around here, and you definitely want to be paying close attention, because to me there's either another really big move to the upside coming if that open to close range expands back up and an increase of demand comes in and you get a nice fat candle maybe towards $10, or there's a big move to the downside coming if sellers can take over and get a big open to close range to the downside. So that's the first thing that stands out. The second thing that would stand out is, from a trend perspective, this stock has been great in terms of not going below the previous day's low. You can see just since $4 really hasn't ever gone below its previous day's low. So for those of you that are trying to short this thing and you keep losing money, stop trying to short it until it goes below the previous day's low. That would be your first signal, and you haven't gotten one of those yet. So Friday's low, 827. I'm just going to call it 825. To me, you don't have a short trade on Monday unless you break below 825. For those of you going long, you want to see it continue to stay above the previous day's low in order to keep buying the dips on it, as that has worked. All right, so watch that 825 level as support. Below it, I could see it pulling back towards $7.50 to $6, kind of a wide range. That's the other thing. You want to be open-minded to very wide ranges. You've had a big move, a volatile move here, so you want to be open-minded to another big move here if it does end up reversing. As for continued upside, stay above 825 is the best case. Secondary momentum would be staying above $8. That was Thursday's low. Stay above $8, and you wouldn't mind seeing some consolidation or something to maybe give it a better attempt on this $9 to $10 range, which it has come off of 3 days in a row now. But if you've been long, you really can't ask for much more, considering what the stock's done in such a short amount of time. So don't be greedy up here. Watch for maybe some consolidation between 8 or 9. Upside, you want to be staying above here. Downside, again, don't jump the gun. Wait for that break below the previous day's low. Ideally, it also comes with an $8 breakdown. Then you can have a washout maybe towards $7.50 to $6. But I see strong support in this range around $6 where this second move started from. Okay, so $6 key level, intermediate to longer term on VLTC. Psychological resistance, next level, $10.